Missing the audio waveform, it can be pretty annoying because you don't know where your music start or finish, and same with your speech. So let's fix that one. Over here in DaVinci I have sample footage. I know that this footage have audio as well because I recorded it, but it's not showing over here. So we need to navigate over here on this small icon. It's called Timeline View Options, and there's a bunch of options over here. You can scale up or down the height of your video and as well the audio form, but this will not solve your problem. That's why you need to navigate over here, Display Audio Waveform. Now when it's enabled, we just need to extend the height of our audio form, and it's over here. And that's how easy it is to fix this issue. If you want to see more content like this, check out my playlist. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video.